Meaning of homebody.
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 Homebody. A homebody refers to a person who enjoys spending most of their time at home. They may prefer being in a familiar and comfortable environment, rather than going out and socializing with others. Homebodies often find joy in solitary activities like reading, watching movies, or pursuing a hobby. While some may see being a homebody as antisocial or reclusive, it is simply a personal preference and can be an important aspect of self-care and mental health. Ultimately, being a homebody is a valid lifestyle choice that allows individuals to recharge and find peace in their own space.